What's up, guys? What's going on? David G here with you, and today I'm gonna take you on a little trip. We're gonna go ahead and refill one of my ATMs here that I have. So it's just another stream of income that I have. I own a ATM business, and what I do is I purchase ATMs and place them in businesses. So people use them, and the actual fees that they charge is what I make from profit from that. So right now we're gonna head over to the bank, get some cash. We're gonna talk to the bank lady, be like, can we get some cash? Go fill it up. And yeah, so I've been out of town for a little bit. So now that I'm back, check on my I like to call them employees. So I like to call them my employees, that they work for me 24 hours 7 days a week, 365. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna take you. So going to the bank and get some cash. Alright guys, so we just left the bank and we're heading to the location now to go fill it up. So this is probably generally what I do every time I come back from my full-time job. I do have a full-time job, and when I come back, I go check it out, check out the stats, check to see how much money was taken out that month, that week, and if I have to, go take some money out of the bank and go fill it up. So generally, the way that ATM business works is I buy my own ATMs. So I go to like local businesses and I ask them, hey, did you want an ATM here? We can install an ATM. And what happens is I put in, like, let's say for example, I install the ATM, I program it, do all that good stuff. I put in, let's say, for $1,000. I put $1,000 in that bank, in that ATM. And when people go and use it, let's say for example, Jimmy comes and he wants to take out $20 out of that ATM. He goes and takes out $20. It's also going to ask him for a surcharge fee. So let's say it's set at $3.50. So they're going to ask him, you're going to be charged $3.50 to use and withdraw $20 here. Okay, cool. He accepts it. Boom. That $20 plus the $3.50 that they charge him is going to be deducted from Jimmy's bank account and be sent over to my bank account. So I give him the $20 from the ATM, from his bank account electronically is going to be sent $23.50 over to my bank account. So that's how it actually works. And then when I check it, it's like, you know what, it's $20 short. I'm just using this for an example though, but I'm not gonna go and just do it for $20. I'm gonna see, you know what, somebody took out $20. I'm gonna go to my bank where they deposit the money. I only take out the $20 and refill it into the ATM. So I'm recycling the money, and that $3.50 is how I make my profit. And that's kind of how I actually run my ATM business. But of course, when I install ATMs in different businesses, I also give the business owner, a cut, a percentage, a transaction fee, or whatever. So just kind of, it's one of those where, hey, you know what, thanks for letting me use a piece of your spot. It's pretty much like a renting, you know, I'm renting that spot and I'm giving him a piece of the commission. So, you know, it's a win-win for everybody. He doesn't have to do anything on his side. It's all on me. I give him a piece of the commission because he's letting me borrow his little spot. I make money on my side. He also makes money on his side. And it's kind of like a win-win. Nobody's doing any favors or anything like that. So, and that's generally how I do it. I have a couple set around town here, but this one ATM, it's actually low. So we're going to go and fill it up. And yeah, so as soon as we get there, I'll take you with me. We'll do a little refilling, set it up, everything, and life will be good again. So.
For about 3 weeks, and then you'll start feeling better.
Oh yeah, the first time I take it this morning.
Oh, okay.
I do almost.
Yeah, that's right. They do foods every day. Put it in the cereal in your food or something. You don't make it. When you want to put it in the cereal, Yeah, that's right. But I tell you, you don't feel better. Your body's not gonna hurt. Yeah. All right. No, I eat pork. I don't want chicken. No chicken. I think I just need it, but I don't think oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, probably a couple weeks. No. Just vacation. Yeah, I'll be there for that. Why? The city? Police, yeah. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, it's really.
So there you go, guys. Simple as that. So we just came in, went in, refueled it, and now we're heading back home. So it literally takes 3-4 minutes. It's 5 at the tops at the most. So once you start getting into your routine, you know how to actually fill it up, you know when to go, stuff like that. So it's actually really easy. In the beginning, obviously, it might be a little pain, you know, because there's certain documents that you need. There's a process to start this. You can't just go and buy an ATM and assume and just think it's going to be that easy to put it in a spot. So if you do want to start one, you have to go and pretty much do it in the right order. So you have to go and get your paperwork first. So you got to establish an LLC. So in order for you to get a bank account, a business account with an ATM, with the ATM Business, you need a business account. And in order for you to open up a business account, you need an LLC. So you get the LLC first, you get the bank account, and then after that, then you start looking for, I recommend that you go and find businesses where to install it. Good places are going to be barbershops, bars. Right now, since the whole COVID, depending on where you're at, bars are actually really good as well. But where I'm from, they're not really that, they're not open to their full potential. But barbershops, places where there's a lot of foot traffic, you know, hair salons, even like auto shops, people that have to wait and stuff, that it just all depends. You kind of look at it and kind of play with it, kind of thing. So this is actually one of my other streams of income that I have. It's a physical place, so it's a physical location where you have ATMs and deal with all that. I also have a online business, affiliate marketing. So that's also what I do, and promote that as well. So it looks like there's a lot of traffic up here right now. So pretty much that's all I got going on from up here. So if you want to learn more, if you want to ask questions or anything, how I started the ATM business, drop a comment down there. If you like the information, the content that I'm putting out, subscribe, give me a like. That's how we know that you guys are liking it. That way we could put out more, or probably not. So it just all depends. So if you want to see some more information on how I started my online business, what it is, also drop a comment, let me know. Like, just kind of share where you're at. I'll reach out. I message and get back to everybody that messages me. So I kind of started, it was hard for me to start. I kind of struggled a little bit when I was first starting off. I tried so many things, from trying to do eBay, Amazon arbitrage. I tried to do candy machines. I also did like the little 25-cent gumball candy machines. The ATM is actually working out pretty well for me. So like I said, I do have a couple around town, and generally each ATM, and it just all depends on where you're at, but generally about ATM, after I pay off all my processing fees, my commissions to the owners, I'd probably be left with like maybe $200 of profit to myself, and that's only from one ATM. So just imagine if you have 5 of them, that's $1,000 right there. All you got to do is refill it up, and pretty much just kind of collect that passive income. That money is just kind of coming in while you sleep, while you do other stuff, go to work, hang out with the family, and so forth. So it's actually another cool way to just make money on the side. So like I said, yeah, I'll drop a link here on the bottom. So if you guys want to get started with online business, maybe you want to do that on the side, maybe you work out of town or something like that, certainly I could help you out with that. Any questions, concerns, so let me know. Till then, like my hat. We'll see you guys later.